Hello and welcome guys. In this video we're going to see how to create a simple crystal report to display all the categories from category table. So here we have created a new Windows application. Very first thing is we are going to add a data set to the project. So I will add new item. So here you select the data set. Okay. If you want you can give a different name. Now here simply just drag and drop your table from Server Explorer to XSD file and make sure that you save and build the solution. Now once it is done, let us build this. So it will create strongly typed data set. Now once your data set is created, now add a crystal report to your project. So we are going to add a crystal report and we are going to design it. So I'll say add again new item. Now here you say crystal report. I'll say okay, so new crystal report will be added. Now it will ask you to select the template or the design. Now here we are going to use a report wizard standard template and click on OK. Second is we have this data set available and this is the name of your table, cats. Click on this button to add it or select the table. Now here we have category table for which we are going to create a report. Click on next. Now here these are the columns. Now I want to include all the columns into the report. So click on the second button. So these are the fields will be displayed on the report. Next, so if you want to do group by on any column, you can do it here. If you want to do filtering of data on any column, this is your choice. Now here these are available styles available. You select the report style in which you want to render the report. Now let us go to drop table, simple one. You can select any table of your choice, finish. Now if you want to make any changes into the style or you want to go with the default style, you can do it. So let us format this little bit. So here I'll say all categories. In the property window you can set the font and other details like size, say you can format it as per your requirement. So I want this like text color can be okay. So we have designed a report. Very small changes we have done. Now here we want to display the report. Now to display the report we have a report viewer control available. You can just place it and simply you have to set one property of this, that is the report source. So go to the properties and here you set a report source property to the crystal report that you have created earlier. So all categories RPT. So that has been selected. Now here you get some data. That's all, just save it and run it. Now the output will be the report that will display the list of all the categories from our category table. So this is how you can create a simple report. In the next video we'll try to create a parameterized report. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.